Did you know that an estimated 95% of weight loss diets ultimately fail? Did you know that 23.5 million Americans suffer from an autoimmune disease? And did you also know that skin diseases specifically affect up to 84.5 million Americans? But imagine if you were able to overcome the odds, maintain a healthy weight, get better skin, and heal your body. Now you can, thanks to the Fasting Reset Summit. What is it? A free 4-day virtual summit event with over 35 world-class doctors, leaders, CEOs, and other similar experts, all here to tell you about intermittent fasting, an incredibly simple, ancient wellness technique proven effective time and time again. We'll cover topics like fasting and thyroid issues, fasting for healthy skin, fasting and diabetes, fasting and hormones, fasting for sleep, fasting for mental issues, fasting. And from January 21st to 24th, you can see it all for the very best price. Free. So what are you waiting for? We've got your free ticket ready to claim at fastingresetsummit.com. Signing up takes seconds. Fastingresetsummit.com. Be there, be whole.